Assalamu alaikum students, this is the sixth video of chapter number 3 exercise 3.4. In this video I will solve question number 1 part number 17 to part number 19. Moving on to part number 17, which is integral x cos square x dx. Now putting the value of cos square x, we get integral x into 1 plus cos 2x over 2 dx. Taking 1 over 2 as common, we get integral x plus x cos 2x dx. Taking integral separately, we get 1 over 2 integral x dx plus 1 over 2 x cos dx 2x dx. Taking first x as first and cos 2x second function, we get 1 over 2 x square over 2 plus 1 over 2. Taking integral by parts, we get x sin 2x by 2 integral of cos 2x negative sin 2x by 2 into 1 dx. Again it is can be simplified as s square over 4 plus x sin 2x over 4 negative 1 over 4 sin 2x dx. Taking integral of sin 2x, we get x square over 4 plus x sin 2x over 4 negative 1 over 4 into negative cos 2x over 2 plus c. Taking 1 over 4 as common, we get 1 over 4 common into x square plus x sin 2x plus cos 2x over 2 plus c. Part number 18, which is integral x sin square x dx. Putting the value of sin 2x, which is 1 minus cos 2x over 2, we get integral x into 1 minus cos 2x over 2 dx. Taking 1 over 2 as common, 1 over 2 and multiplying x with both these terms, we get bracket x negative x cos 2x bracket of dx. Taking integrals separately, we get 1 over 2 integral x dx negative 1 over 2 into x cos 2x dx. Here on x will be our first function and cos 2x will be second function. So 1 over 2 x square over 2 negative 1 over 2. Taking integral by parts, we get x into sin 2x over 2 negative integral sin 2x over 2 into 1 dx, which can be simplified as x square over 4 negative x sin 2x over 4 plus 1 over 4 integral sin 2x dx. X square over 4 negative x sin 2x over 4 plus 1 over 4 into negative cos 2x over 2 plus c, which can be simplified as x square over 4 negative x sin 2x over 4 negative cos 2x over 8 plus c. Taking 1 over 4 as common, we get 1 over 4 into x square negative x sin 2x negative 1 over 2 cos 2x plus c. Moving on to part number 19, which is ln x whole square dx. Now putting ln x whole square as first function and assuming 1 as second function. Taking integration by parts, we get ln x whole square integral dx negative integral bracket integral dx into derivative of ln x square dx. Ln x square dot x negative integral x into 2 ln x into 1 over x dx, which can be simplified as x ln x square negative 2 integral ln x into 1 dx. Now again taking ln x as first function and 1 as second function, we get x ln x whole square negative 2 bracket ln x integral dx negative integral bracket integral dx into derivative of ln x dx. X ln x square negative 2 ln x into x plus 2 integral x into 1 over x dx. This x will be cancelled by x, so it will be x ln x square negative 2 x ln x plus 2 integral dx, which can be written as x ln x whole square negative 2x ln x. Taking integral, we get plus 2x plus c. Taking x ln x common from both of these terms, we get x ln x into ln x negative 2 plus 2x plus c.